Divide 7/10 divided by 14/15. Whenever you divide two fractions, you're going to want to use the rule keep, change, flip. What does that mean? Keep means keep the first fraction exactly the way it is. Change means change the divided by symbol to a multiplication symbol. And flip means flip this 14 over 15 into 15 over 14. Now you're multiplying two fractions together. Whenever you multiply two fractions together, multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. So 7 times 15, if you need to go off to the side and figure that out, there's nothing wrong with it. 15 times 7, I'm going to use old school multiplication. 7 times 5 is 35. Write out your 5, carry the 3. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 7 times 15 is 105. 10 times 14 is 140. Now you may notice that both of these are divisible by 5. So why don't we divide both numbers by 5 to simplify? So divide u by 5 and divide u by 5. When you do that, 105 divided by 5 is 21, and 140 divided by 5 is going to be 28. So 21 over 28. Now you might notice, well, wait a minute. I could still simplify. Both of those guys are divisible by 7. So let's divide them both by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3, and 28 divided by 7 is 4. So when all is said and done, we end up with just 3/4.